Okay guys, so I just started training again the other day, like weightlifting training. And this is one of my secret weapons. I swear by this stuff, and it's by Old School Labs, and it's called Vintage Burn, and it's the 120 dietary supplement, you know, whatever, veggie caps, okay? AKA energy pills. And these are vegetarian, so if that is of interest to you, they are also keto friendly, which is of interest to me. I did want to mention that it also does have like 200 milligrams, I think, of raspberry ketones. I'm not a big fan of supplementing ketones, but some people buy just the supplements and whatever. I was just mentioning that it is already in here. A lot of people will take maybe like 6 of these a day, you know, after they've built up a tolerance, like 2 before each meal, 3 times a day. I literally only take like 2 or 3 of these a day, depending on the day, and I'll take it maybe like an hour before I eat. They don't have, like, they're super easy to swallow. They don't have any weird taste. And what I love about these, the absolute most, is I don't get jittery. I have like a very stable amount of energy. I mean, if y'all have taken energy pills in the past, like some, I won't mention them by name, but it doesn't matter. They pretty much all do the same things. You know, you take them and then you're like this. You know, you have a huge amount of energy for like 1 hour and then it's like crash, or you're just super jittery. This is like sustained energy for 4 or 5 hours. I absolutely love, well, I love this whole product line. You'll find yourselves in the market for, you know, a fat burner or an energy pill, however you want to use it. Give this a try, because I promise you this is going to outperform whatever you are using. I have used this. This is probably like my 25th bottle of this stuff or something. Like, I feel like Vintage Burn should be sponsoring this. But anyways, I hope you guys found that helpful, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.